So there's been talk of okra causing you to have a lot more lubrication, more than normal down there. However, is this myth or fact? I mean, now everyone's on the okra bandwagon. When I would ask, oh, do you have okra in your beans or do you eat okra in your beans? Nobody knew what okra was. Not many people, which surprised me a lot. But now that they're talking about causing a tsunami, in certain places, everyone now is curious about the okra. But you have to ask the question. Okra, yes, has a slimy consistency. And it does help with hydration. However, there's plenty of fruit that help with hydration, like the okra does. Yeah, it does. It sure does. However, so does the watermelon. The watermelon also is very hydrating. So if I drink more watermelon,
I mean, it could be the watermelon. It is juicy. I don't think we'll ever know.
will I be more like a tsunami? I mean, I'm already tsunami-esque a lot, so I'm not really in need of drinking okra water for that matter, which most people are doing, which I find to be, yes, it's beneficial, but I kind of find it outrageous and ridiculous because, I mean, are we blending our collard greens and having collard green water? No, we're not doing that. I mean, okra is just as healthy if you just eat it. Just eat it, cook it in your food. You don't necessarily have to soak it and go through that whole okra water process. I mean, do whatever works for you, and if that's your preference to have okra water, then sure. I mean, I'm not downing okra water because yes, I have had it, but if you can't stand that gagging consistency, then maybe okra water is just not for you. Maybe you can drink okra tea. And yes, these flowers produce a great okra tea. It's a cousin of the hibiscus, so they're edible. Try that instead. Let's not be ridiculous, people. Not everyone can stand okra water. Everyone just cannot take the consistency. It's a lie. It's a lie. However, I'm gonna pass. I'd rather have it in lots of my other dishes. I have a video on some great okra dishes. Check it out in the description box. Your body should flow naturally, and some people do suffer and have problems with that, which means there is something going on medically and you need to seek professional help for that. And sometimes your pH balance could just be really off. But I mean, for the most part, what you eat is not always going to go directly in a specific area. So I just find that to be outrageous, an outrageous claim. However, they say it works. I mean, I drink and eat okra every day, so possibly it is working. I don't know. I've been having it for so many years now. I'm over 40, over 45, so yeah, they could be right in those claims. It could have some truth behind it, now that I think about it. But I don't know. Science hasn't proven it. This is just hearsay. And everyone's saying it because, again, everyone is on the okra bandwagon. Which, yes, welcome to the wagon. I'm glad you're finally here. However, I can easily say it's my consumption of watermelon that's causing me to have a tsunami, not the okra. Is it the watermelon? Is it the watermelon? Is it the okra? And that is a good question. I'm curious to know, Is it the watermelon or is it okra? Let's ask AI and see what she has to say. I'm going to post all the information in the description box below. Check it out.